Hello, I'm Ryan, Chief Marketing Officer for Redapa. Today I'm going to show you how to install SQLite or SQLite, depending on how you want to pronounce it. And I will be following this tutorial here, which is from tutorialspoint.com. I just wanted to do it in a more visual format because some people are able to see what I'm doing better rather than reading it. And plus I actually ran into an issue, so hopefully I can help resolve that issue if you run into it too. So, first step is to go to the downloads page and download the proper files. I'll be doing this today on Windows 10, so I'll be following the Windows 10 steps. I'll put the link in the description in case you want to go at it from that way. And the files that you download are for Windows right down here. If you are on Windows 10, you should be using the 64-bit version from what I know of. If you're on a normal desktop computer. So what you want to do is once you download those two files, you want to go to wherever you want to create this file folder. I'm going to create it in this directory right here. And I created a folder called SQLite. And you want to extract those two files into this folder that you downloaded previously. Now when you do that, you may find a thing where some of the files that you download or some of the files that you've extracted will pop up here and some of them will pop up in another folder. What you want to do is you want to pull those files out, and so they're all out here. From here you want to be able to access that path, so you need to type env into the search box and you'll pop up and it'll state edit the system environment variables. It'll pop up with this right here. You want to go to environment variables, and down here you want to see this variable named path, and you want to edit this. And then you can edit the path just by hitting new, and you can just type whatever you want. So to check this, now I will open the command prompt, drag it over here. This is already going to the directory that I want it to be, so I just type SQLite. Oops, my bad. SQLite 3. And from here, that is proof that SQLite has been installed and is ready to go. Stay tuned for more videos on creating a database within this to play around with. Thank you.